Now, we have been talking about the new foldables by Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 are going to be launched July 10th in Paris, I believe, for the Olympics. Now, they're not only going to introduce the foldables, as I mentioned, and we've gone over them in detail, but I think we have another device and or product lineup that's going to launch alongside the foldables. Now, nothing's set in stone, nothing's confirmed, but besides the foldables, there's two other products that Samsung is getting ready to launch. The Galaxy Buds 3, which we'll get into in a minute, and the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 series. It'll be we just talked about. They're going to release the new Galaxy Watch FE, which is going to be launched alongside the Galaxy Watch 7 series. But today we got a sneak peek at a new model. Samsung has always had a couple of different watches, right? They have like a classic, they'll have a sport, what have you. But now, or today, we got a first look at a new series, right? So it'll be with the 7 series, but it's going to be tagged with the Ultra series, sort of like Apple, right? And we got our first look at it today. Quite interesting. Let's take a look at it. Looks rather big, but pause. But check this out. Hope my StreamYard doesn't crash when I do this, but let's give it a try. Galaxy Watch 7. Look at this thing. Big. Look, it's got nice big AMOLED display, but it says, they take the words right out of my mouth. Chunkier, clunkier. Look how big these bezels are around the screen. Let's see what size this display is. So, what you need to know, a new round of rumors spill an alleged look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra with its squarish body and circular watch face on the top. Ready to show the device in white and black colorways, featuring a circular third orange and potentially rotating button on the side. So this is going to be your main dial. Can you all see the cursor? Main dial right here on the right side. I'm assuming you push and hold it in, power it on, power it off, and then you can rotate it towards the front, towards the back to make different selections on the screen there. And then if you single press it, double tap it, I'm sure it'll have special functions, right? So renderings of the Watch 7 Ultra have spilled before, showing a similar design, but now rumors state, wow, this is going to be huge. I mean, big. It's going to be big on your wrist. 47 millimeters in size. Wow. That's huge. Typically, Samsung in the past has offered a 40 millimeter and a 44 millimeter, and I think even a 45 in the past, right? 40 typically, not always, but typically for women, and the 44 typically, not always, but for men, right? I have used both. I kind of like the 40. Sometimes when these are too big, and here's the issue I think I would have if I got this. It's too big, meaning, so when I don't wear smartwatches that often. I had a Galaxy Watch, right, for testing, but I don't wear it. The issue I have, and let me know if this is the same issue you have, but I guess when I walk through doorways, right, whether it be a store, retail store doorway, walk through a door, or in a home or office door, I guess I walk close to the edge because this always was happening. Whenever I would walk into a room, when I would swing my arms in normal walking stance, the display ever so slightly would just nick the inside of the doorway. It would always happen wearing a watch. I don't know. I'm like, damn, do I walk that close to the edge of the door? I guess so. But that was with a 40 and more often with a 44 millimeter. With this thing being even bigger, I think I would nick the hell out of this watch just simply by walking through doors. I know it sounds stupid, but that's a weird thing that I noticed wearing these wearables, right? But not only is that shocking, and again, that's huge. I don't know what the Apple Watch 7 is. You know what? Let's find out. Apple Watch 7. So wait, what are they on? Watch Apple. I'm going to see the size. Apple Watch. What are we on? 8? Is it 8 or 9? I think it's 8. I think. Series, let's try it. Series 9 Ultra? Let's try 9 Ultra. I don't think it's 9. Oh shit, we are on 9. It goes to show you how much I pay attention to that. Let's get the specs. GSM Arena. Here we go. Nope, that's not it. Shit. Let's see. All versions. 45 millimeter. So this is going to be huge, this watch. And that's not only the shocking news that we get today. Check the price out. Holy crap. $700. $700. That is insane. Look, if they sell them, more power to Samsung, more power to you if you want to buy one. But I personally think that's insane. That's putting a Samsung Galaxy S24 on your wrist. Like I don't know. That seems like overkill for me. That seems too much for me. Again, personally, you may want this. You may love having a wearable. You may have the cellular version where you leave your phone at home and you throw in your watch and you go run it for a run in the morning and that's all you need. Hey, I get it, right? That's cool. But I don't run. Shit, I don't even work out. So for me personally, that's a big no, I'm not getting it. Unless Samsung, you want to send one to me, I'll be happy to review it for y'all, but I'm not buying this. The leak stems from ex-tipster Tim Tom, who posted an alleged snapshot of the Watch 7 Ultra in white and black on 9 to 5 Google. From the renderings, it seems Samsung is moving towards a squarish body, circular watch face atop. Oh, wow. So what is this? Is this the charging base? What is this? I have no idea what the hell that is. I guess that's I don't know what that is. Ooh, the white looks nice though. I like the way the white looks. It looks really, really nice, but god damn, that's big. And they're making this Ultra to basically compete against Apple's Watch Ultra, honestly. They didn't really have anything to compete with Apple's best watch. So Samsung is going to present to us the Ultra series in the Galaxy Watch 7. The Ultra model in the Galaxy Watch 7 series. So, interesting here. I will let y'all know if this gets released. We will definitely know beforehand, before July 10th. Now, join us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join us on July 10th. We're going to live stream the Unpacked event. We're going to check out everything there is to know about the Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6, and then what other devices they launch on that same day, right? Because again, it could be this new Watch 7 series, could be potentially a new Tab S10 series, although I doubt it. Could be the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, which I think is a real possibility. And let's jump into that, right? Let's get into that. Hang on one second.